Transferring cryptocurrency from Binance to OKX is a straightforward process, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure your funds are moved safely and correctly. Both Binance and OKX are major cryptocurrency exchanges that support a wide range of digital assets. Before initiating any transaction, it is crucial to double-check wallet addresses and network details, as errors can lead to permanent loss of funds. Step 1. Choose the cryptocurrency to transfer. Begin by deciding which cryptocurrency you want to transfer. The most commonly transferred assets are Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Tether, USDT, and other major tokens. Make sure the coin you choose is supported on both Binance and OKX. Additionally, check for the most cost-effective and fastest blockchain network available for that coin. Many coins support multiple networks such as ERC20, Ethereum, TRC20, Tron, and BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. Step 2. Log into your OKX account and copy the deposit address. Log into your OKX account and navigate to the Assets or Deposit section. Choose the same cryptocurrency you plan to send from Binance. Once selected, OKX will provide a unique wallet address and may also require a memo or tag, depending on the coin. Copy this wallet address and keep it secure. Be extremely careful. Sending funds to the wrong address or using the wrong network can result in a permanent loss of assets. Step 3. Log into Binance and initiate the withdrawal now. Head over to your Binance account and log in. Go to the Wallet section and choose Withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you are transferring and paste the OKX deposit address in the recipient field. Make sure to select the same network you copied from OKX. For instance, if you copied a TRC20 address, you must choose TRC20 as the transfer network on Binance. Step 4. Verify the network and double-check details before submitting your transfer. Confirm that the network selected on Binance matches the one supported by the OKX wallet address. Also, if the cryptocurrency requires a tag or memo, as with XRP or XLM, make sure to enter it correctly in the designated field. Even a small mistake can lead to a failed or lost transaction. Binance usually warns users if something looks incorrect, but it's best to double-check everything yourself. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal via email or 2FA. Once you input all the correct details, Binance will ask for confirmation. You'll usually need to verify the transaction via two-factor authentication, 2FA, and an email confirmation. After you confirm, Binance will process your withdrawal. Processing time depends on the blockchain network and traffic, but most transactions are completed within a few minutes to an hour. Step 6. Monitor the transfer status. You can monitor the progress of your withdrawal directly on Binance under the Transaction History, or Withdrawals, section. It will show the transaction status and blockchain transaction ID, TXID. You can use the TXID to track your transfer on a blockchain explorer. OKX will notify you once the funds are received and confirmed on the network. Step 7. Verify deposit on OKX. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the funds will appear in your OKX wallet. Navigate to your Assets or Funding Account section in OKX to confirm the deposit. If you don't see it immediately, refresh or wait a few more minutes. In case of any issues or delays, you can contact customer support for assistance using the TXID as reference. Conclusion: transferring crypto between Binance and OKX is generally safe and efficient when done correctly. Always ensure you're using the right wallet address and blockchain network, and verify all transaction details before confirming. Keeping a record of your TXID and using two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. With careful attention, you can move your digital assets between platforms with confidence and ease.